Welcome to the Winter Advent Calendar class or activity, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you how to make the cutest winter Advent calendar. I have incorporated poetry and activities and some things that you typically would do anyways during the Christmas season. So let me show you what comes in the packet, and then I'll show you the few things you're going to need, and then we're going to put this together. Okay, so of course it comes with instructions on how to do this. It comes with additional information for some of the activities that aren't quite as straightforward, but still very, very simple. It also gives you the information for you to go to a certain web page and get some free access to some videos and stuff for the learning activities, so that way you don't have to go searching for them. It also comes with 3 poem posters for you to use for 3 of the days where it says to just read a certain poem. And then, of course, I encourage you to do poetry tea time. So I give you 2 full sheets of poems that you can read for your poetry tea time. Of course, if you happen to already own your own copy of Poetry in Winter, you're going to have plenty of poetry to read for the month of December. But wanted to provide some stuff with you if you don't have that book yet, okay? Then I also provide all sorts of fun activities for you guys to do. So in here you've got like make toilet paper roll snowman. You've got make snowflakes and put them on the ceiling. You've got make hot chocolate ice pops. Having your poetry tea time, making Scandinavian Christmas rice pudding, all sorts of fun activities that you can do with your kids that will fill the 24 days. Then I give you some blank ones, because I know a lot of you have your own traditions you would want to do, so that way you can put some of your own traditions in and still choose which ones you want to do from the ones I provide. And then you get all the cute numbers to put on your Advent items, so that way you know when to pick them. And what's really cool about this is that you're not stuck doing the activities on specific days. You as a parent get to choose them. So if you know for a fact your Christmas vacation starts on a certain day, or you already know that you're going to go, say for instance, go out and get hot chocolate for a specific activity, then you can just take that activity and put it on day 5 or day 23, and you have some control over when your activities happen. So some things that you are going to want to have for putting together your Advent, you're gonna want some little baggies and stuff like this to put your activities into. I'm gonna show you how you can just take a normal envelope and turn it into something that can hold them. You're gonna want some either tiny bags, which I don't have any like actual paper bags right now, but I'm gonna use some wrapping paper to just wrap it up. Then you're also gonna need things like twine, maybe some ribbons. I've got all different kinds of ribbons here. And then I also have some washi tape and some fun Christmassy looking twine, and I have a holder. So that's everything you should need to create your Advent swag. And you can either create the full swag, or if you already have something like an Advent like little drawer type thing, or a quilted one that you hang on the wall that you just put things in pockets, you could use those too. But the swag is a really cute thing, and it adds decoration to your.
Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to find your activities and cut them out. And some of them I did have trimmed down shorter to fit into the different pouches that I had. Then you're going to find all your numbers, and you cut all your numbers. And then you're going to end up either hole punching them. If you don't plan on using string for everything, then you can obviously just glue them to the bags. Then I took them and I organized them for the days that I wanted to use them. And then I started to put them into their baggies. You could also use little tiny boxes. I've done that in the past. So this time, since I'm doing the swag, which I have used tiny boxes on the swag, but a lot of these things I hole punched so that way I could do that. As you can see here, I am trimming this activity down because these little envelopes are itty bitty bitty. put a hole punch there, and on this one I'm going to take the number, and I'm actually going to use the ribbon to tie the number to the bag. Not only will it look cute with a little bit of ribbon later, but it leaves plenty of room for you to add string to hang it. There you go. So this one I'm going to tape on. Which really, I should have glued it on, but the tape I think will do just fine. And here's using wrapping paper, just kind of creating my own envelope, using some tape to shut the edges. And then I use the washi tape to close it up, just to add some cute accents to the little bag. Okay, so here's using an envelope, which it's pretty done. This one I just cut in half, and then I sealed the side shut. But some of the other ones I did, I cut it like, say, 3/4 of the way or something, so I can create some different size bags. And then pretty much the washi tape I was just using because it's cute and adds color. Here are all the different bags that I made. And now we're going to put it up on the wall.